This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terese DeLuca. Vacation like royalty. This newer home features a clean, open floor plan with modern furnishings. There are 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths and a den area with a queen sleeper sofa. King beds are in 2 of the bedrooms and 2 twin beds are the third, with each bedroom featuring a large wall-mounted flat-screen TVs. Enjoy the beautiful views of the heated pool, which is surrounded by water. Beach supplies and baby/toddler highchair, crib, pack-and-play and toys are available. A detailed welcome book will make your stay effortless and stress-free. The gated community of the Isles of Colliers Preserve offers a clubhouse, kayak and paddleboard launch, fitness lawn, cabanas, lap pool, resort-style pool, bocce ball, tennis and pickleball courts, and the Overlook Bar and Grill. Being located only 4 miles from Naples' famous 5th Avenue and the beach, you will never run out to things to do. For more information, review the details below.